Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent users from changing sound scheme in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Create new key under Windows named as personalization. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value. Type No changing sound scheme. N, C, S, and S are capital letters. Change value data to 1. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.